Welcome students to e-learning programming. So I'm sorry to say today we are not using my computer because for technical problem. As soon as possible I will try my level best to recover this problem. So this video I will discuss with you another programming and that is related to your computer application. So I hope that question also readable on your screen. So first you write the question. Write a program in Java to convert a given temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. So that means when you enter the temperature as a Celsius, the temperature will be converted into a Fahrenheit. And when the temperature you enter as a Celsius, that means the temperature convert into a Fahrenheit. So that is the way we call to the vice versa rules. And also that formula given in the below, C equals to 5 divided by 9 into F minus 32, that is a formula to convert into a temperature into a Celsius, and F equals to 1.8 into C plus 32, and this formula temperature convert into a Fahrenheit. So go for solve the problem. I'm using my Android application for using Java programming, and you do for as the solve your program as a program like using BlueJ or what any environment for uh, compile for Java program like JDK, NetBeans, BlueJ, whatever you can use it. Let's go for solve this problem. Now we are using these apps AI and DS. So these apps are using for Java program. So just you click on the apps and it is already launched.
Press Run to run the Java program below.
And now you see the editor portions that already class and main function already declared. Now we are not using the same class name, so we are write the class name and remove the main class name. So first we remove the public is a keyword, then we write to the class name as related to our program. So I'm giving to class name as a temperature, so you write the class name is a temp. Okay, then we are declaring the instance variable in the class. So here write the instance variables. We are using a double data type, and we have taken the four variables: C for uh, take as Celsius, A for Fahrenheit, and this CL for Celsius is storing the value when you temperature convert into a Fahrenheit to Celsius. That time using CL, and when that Celsius convert into Fahrenheit, that time we are storing the value on a F RH, that is Fahrenheit. Okay, now we are declare the scanner class here. Scanner here equal to new scanner and give the brackets, and here system dot in, because we are scanner class are doing a input purpose, so right here system dot in and give the semicolon right here. Okay, then we are declared the method, so right here public, then write void for is a null. Void is return the null value, and public means that methods are access anywhere in the class. So that is a access specifier are using public. Now we are declaring the methods name or also function name like the Celsius. So you are these methods are doing a job for find out the Celsius. So you write the methods name Celsius. Okay. Celsius. Then give the default sign of the method and give the brace. Now we are using print statement system out.println and write here the message for the user. Enter the temp in Fahrenheit. Okay, then give that, close the second, close the double quotation, give close the first bracket and the semicolon. Now here already I'm take the variables f for using a Fahrenheit. So using f equals to cr as an object of the scanner class, and then write the next double for, because we have already declared the variable as a data type is a double, and then we are convert into a Celsius. So CL we have already declared as instance variable. So you have CL's equal, and write the formula to convert into a Celsius, like 5.0 divided by 9.0. Here the sign divided, and 9.9, no problem, point 0 not need here. Then multiplication, then give the first bracket f minus 32. Simply we just write the formula here, give the semicolon, and again write the print, declare the print statement, and give the print message, the temperature in Celsius, temperature in Celsius equal, then close and give that plus sign here, and which variable store the Celsius, CL. So you are right here CL, and close the bracket and semicolon. So that same way we are declaring another method, that is Fahrenheit. So write the public void and Fahrenheit. So we are declaring, if not the full words of Fahrenheit, so you write F R H, okay, and give the brace, give the first brackets as a default method. So this type of methods are called non-return type defaults method, that is called public void and FHR. This type of method is called the non-return type default method. Same way we have to declare here system out.println and write the message, the enter the temperature in Celsius. So enter the temperature in Celsius. Okay, here then close the brackets, double quotation and semicolon. So Celsius, which variable we have to use as a already C for use for Celsius. So we have already declared the C as instance variable. Look at that, C first, and here C equals to next double, CR dot next double, but this variable also data type is double, and using for Fahrenheit, so we are taking already taken that FRH equals to, now put the formula to convert to Fahrenheit, that is 1.8 into 1.8 into where the 1.8 into the C plus 32, and right here again declare the print statements, and the temperature in Fahrenheit, double quotation close, plus, and that variable to give FRH, close the first bracket and semicolon. Okay, so now we have to declare the class name temp, After we have to declare the variables scanner class and define two defaults method. First method responsible for find out the Celsius and second method for Fahrenheit. Now we are declaring the main function. Main function already declared here. Just we are creating an object of the class. We are declared the object of the class. So my class name is temp. So you write here temp ob equal to new temp. So ob as a object of my class reference. So ob dot Celsius, that is the first method. Another method is ob dot Fahrenheit. So FRH. So students, this is a complete the program for find out the temperature as Celsius or Fahrenheit. So I hope students you understand the code. Now we are going for run the code. When you run the code, first enter the Fahrenheit. So I'm write this Fahrenheit temperature like 56. Automatically that converted in Celsius. Now Celsius is converting like 36 and automatically converted
Great,
into
you've just run your first program.
Fahrenheit.
It prints hello
So
world. You can see the output
now
below.
you read
Let's
code from
continue.
here and run on your computer. I hope you understand each and every line. So thank you for watching.